everyone, now I'm on my way to Taman Sari Waterfall, which is 29 km from Taman. Below, I explain a little about the Taman Sari Waterfall. Okay everyone, Taman Sari Waterfall offers the beauty of a waterfall source combined with a stretch of thirst around it that is very scenic and natural. Together, visitors are also invited to explore nature. As drive a row of stairs while enjoying a panoramic view of the green cliffs. Once you arrive, traveler can immediately enjoy a series of beauties. The most epic is cascading waterfall that comes from a natural source. At the top, there is a waterfall with a large flow that converts into a pool. Then, the water from the upper pool flows down, forms a row of similar waterfalls. About its beauty, don't ask again. This is a favorite spot and for visitors. Okay, apart from the panoramic beauty that nature once has presented at Taman Sari Waterfall, are also a special attraction, especially for foreign tourists. They really enjoyed stopping there. This tourism attraction actually recently opened only in 2019. At beginning of operation, not only many tourism come there, coupled with the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, this destination is in suspended animation. However, the managers did not give up. Once the pandemic passed, they aggressively reintroduced this tourist attraction.